In this video, we're going to help you diagnose the blower or fan in your dryer. Now you want to inspect your blower, you want to look for a couple of things. If you're getting some noise, you may find that one of these fins is cracked or it's split, and the centrifugal force of the motor turning actually has it coming out and making contact inside this blower housing. The other thing that will cause that to happen is if you've had some articles in your pocket, such as change, nuts and bolts, things like that, they can make their way into this blower housing area and actually beat the daylights out of the blower. The other thing worst come to worst will happen is if you've got a bad lint filter, a hole in it, you're going to get a lot of chunks of wet, damp lint that's going to stick right to these blowers, right to these fins, and will cause them to clog up. So if you can get your blower out and there's got those clogs in it, you want to clean that off. And if the blower didn't get broken in removing it, you'll be able to put it back in place. So that's how you diagnose your blower.